Who else dreads wash day? Okay. All right. I have 6 kids and it's to the point where wash day is getting a little much. It's getting a little much. Oh, hey, welcome. It's Bubs, also known as Bubsbee. Please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I do hair, lifestyle content. So yeah, anyways, back into my dilemma, okay? Wash days are getting very long. It's getting very tiring. And I always look for products to speed up my wash days, okay? I do not want to be doing my hair from morning to night anymore. I'm tired. I'm sleepy, okay? And Strands of Faith has done it. They have done it, okay? I have 2 products I'm showing today, okay? It gave me this hairstyle. My scalp is cleansed. My hair is refreshed. It's not caked up with buildup. All right, hair's fluffy, defined, soft, I mean pillowy soft, okay? These 2 products did that. And this style is going to last me a full week without touching my strands. Thank you. Thank you, Strands of Faith. I am going to be focusing on their 3-in-1 Miracle Clay Wash, which is going to cleanse, detox, and detangle, okay? This is going to be my cleanser, my deep conditioner, my detangler, detoxifier. Okay, it's going to give me everything I could possibly need. And then I'm going in with the twisting butter. These products are from the Holy Grail collection, so if you want to see and learn more, then just keep on watching. So I'm actually starting on very old hair. My hair is just shrunken because I did saturate my hair underneath running water just to help the clay apply a lot easier. You can see I am going through some scalp issues right now during postpartum, so this clay came right on time. I am going to saturate my hair even further with warm water, and then I'm going to take Strands of Faith Miracle 3-in-1 Clay Wash. I do want to thank them for sponsoring this video today. I really do appreciate it. But this clay wash is definitely a treat. It is formulated for all hair types and is going to thoroughly cleanse and detox the hair from environmental elements. I'm going to just coat my scalp and my strands with this product because I want to ensure that every last strand is getting this clay. This clay gently removes buildup and detox the strands from heavy metals and minerals that can cause a lot of buildup. I am pretty amazed at how defined my curls are getting, how my hair is clumped, it's soft, and I'm able to detangle the section with ease. This clay wash contains 3 different clays: rhassoul, bentonite, and kaolin clay. You can see the slip. My hair is actually very tangled at the moment. During this wash day, I am going through postpartum shedding. I'm getting a lot of tangling and matting at the roots, and I'm able to detangle the section with ease. Like I said, you can use this product 3 different ways. If you want to use it to cleanse, you're going to thoroughly wet your hair and apply the clay in sections. You will massage it into your scalp and hair strands, just like a normal shampoo, and then you would proceed to rinse it out. If you want to use it to detox your hair, you're going to apply it to damp or dry hair, allow the clay to thoroughly penetrate the strands, let it sit for about 15-20 minutes, and then rinse. And lastly, to detangle, you would thoroughly wet your hair, apply a generous amount of the product, gently detangle each section, and then proceed to rinse. And for this wash day, because I wanted to cut my wash day in half, I used it as a 3-in-1, and I was enjoying the whole process. It was such a breeze, and I loved that I was able to get a super short wash day. This is all the shed hair total from detangling with my fingers as well as using my detangling tool. I have been getting double this amount during my wash days, so I'm very happy to say that my shedding is going down a lot. So I did rinse that clay out while my twists were in just to keep my hair detangled. During that whole time, because I did not want my hair to tangle up. My hair is prone to tangling and knotting, especially now since I'm going through postpartum shedding, but my hair feels so plush, so smooth. You really don't need to go in with a DC after using that clay. Compared to the before to now, it's just a big 360. Check the scalp. The scalp is clean. My hair feels amazing. Wow. So now it's time to use the twisting butter from the Holy Grail collection. I absolutely love this butter. It's very thick and moisturizing. I'm going to quickly apply this product all over, twist my hair up into small to medium sized twists, and call it a night. This butter is an amazing sealant for moisture. It's going to seal in any hydration because it contains a lot of oils and butters, which my kinky coily hair loves. It contains babassu oil, which is anti-inflammatory. Also baobab oil, which improves elasticity, but also keeping the softness in your hair. Super hydrating, moisturizing, emollient rich, great at detangling as well. So I am definitely enjoying applying this right now. I let the twist set for about 2 days. I'm going to separate and fluff, and you're going to see my finished results. So these are my finished results. What do you guys think? The twist out came out amazing. I love this twisting cream. It's one of my favorites, one of my all-time favorite hair butters for moisture, softness. You really only need a little bit. A little bit definitely goes a long way. It's going to smooth your hair out so well. I get a great amount of definition. This product has a very soft hold. The hold is not going to last, but when I'm using hair butters, that's not what I go for. I don't look for hold. I look for moisture. I definitely use this year round. When it's spring to summer, I use a little bit, and when it's fall to winter, I use a little bit more, and my hair really reacts well to this product. This product is really emollient. You feel the butters, you feel the creams. It's a very thick cream, but it blends and spreads really, really well. I really highly recommend this product. I love it. But the star of the show, the 3-in-1 Miracle Clay Mask. I have been testing this product out for months. I actually was the first set of people to actually test this for her. I've been testing out products for the brand for a while now. I do have other videos on my channel if you want to check out my past reviews. I think this is my 3rd jar of this product, and she changed the formula. She tweaked it a little bit. She took our feedback, and now this product is a lot thicker, it's creamier, and it spreads a lot better. I did use about half the jar for an 8-ounce jar. Keep in mind my hair is really, really thick. I do have a lot of hair, and I was trying to use the product as a cleansing agent as well as a detangling agent. So your application may vary. You may use more product or you may use less. But when it comes to clays anyway, I tend to use a lot more product than normal. The fact that all I had to do was apply this clay, add my twisting cream, and that was my whole wash to styling session. Is amazing. I love when I get products that are 2, 3, 4-in-1 because it saves you so much time and your wash days are cut in half. Even though this product contains clay. It has more moisturizing clays, like rhassoul clay is more moisturizing for my hair, so I tend to like it a lot better when it comes to adding hydration, moisturizing, and still detoxifying. It also has aloe vera that's going to add more moisture and more hydration to your strands, so your strands are going to be hydrated with this product. It has slippery elm, which is a great detangler. This product has vitamin E, it has sweet almond oil, shea butter, and those ingredients are packed with fatty acids, and they are going to nourish your strands from the inside out. So I do want to thank Strands of Faith once again for sponsoring this video. I really did enjoy using the products. I love this clay. Highly recommend. I think if you are looking for a one and done product or a one and done duo when it comes to washing and styling, these two products are going to give you what you need. If your hair is fine and you don't have as many strands as I do, I highly recommend the moisturizing styling cream. I believe that's what it's called. That one doesn't have as many butters and oils in it, but it still is very moisturizing. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.